Currency 59.8, so it's actually looking like it's seeing even further pressure coming in, at least at the start of the session. Let's in fact bring in Anu for more on that. Anu, it looks like we're already starting to see, what's happening in Iraq weighing on the currency.
In fact, if the equities see a bit of more of a slide as we did on Friday, we're probably going to see a little bit more pressure towards that 60 mark. That's what dealers are telling us. Remember, the oil import bill is quite significant when it comes to the India's monthly and annual bill. Abhishek Goenka on the phone line with us to discuss this further. Abhishek, morning. Thanks for joining in. How big a problem can the crude import oil bill seem to be, given the problem that we're seeing in Iraq right now, and where could that take the rupee back to 60 and beyond?
Hello.
Hi Abhishek, if you can hear me, I just wanted to pose to you, what happens to the currency from here if the crude shock elevates? Do you see it going back beyond the 60 point, maybe to 61?
Yeah, so if you look at the charts of the crude, since you mentioned crude, the charts are looking quite bullish as of now. The recent tensions which is going on geopolitically is of course hitting the crude, and of course crude being an important part of the deficit, since things had got into control and the market was expecting that things would improve in the future. Now if the crude is a dampener, then definitely it's going to hit on the overall deficit and the expectations of the deficit, and ultimately on the currency. Moreover, whatever the good things were priced in, now suddenly we have started seeing some kind of a correction happening in the global markets and in the Indian markets because of the geopolitical tensions, which most likely is going to move the currency to 60 plus levels in the days to come back. So I think a lot of positive euphoria was there. Now it's time for correction, and I think 60-20 is the next target that we're looking at the currency.
All right, Abhishek, thanks for that. 60-20 coming in the currency hour, so obviously makes the tough job for the IBA a little bit harder, who's been trying to restrict the appreciation. They've held up a lot of dollars. Maybe it's time to start using up those dollars to ensure stability. We'll have to wait and watch how the situation actually evolves.
Absolutely, tenterhooks for now. All right, Bhavin, let me come back to you on the markets right now, of course.